And just like that, I applied sunscreen, ate an entire apple, drank some water, and for you, nothing happened. I still have bread in my pocket, so blood has returned to my legs. So let's see if we can re-enter the strip. The strip steak. Yo, she's going fast. That's crazy fast. Roman settlement over there. I don't think we'll be passing it. Badoom. Though we might briefly, not like right next to it, but around it. Though I promise, eventually, I'll make a video on it. I'll like go explore it, which is not, there's not super much to explore, but it's definitely worth seeing. And I missed it, but at the end of August, every year maybe, they do a Ren fair, but it's in Roman times, so you know, a Rome fair. And they have like, I don't know, the Roman food, Roman soldier formations, random stuff like that, if that interests you. This is supposed to be a slope. Why is it so hard to drive it? Let's see. Once I make it all the way over there, cross to the bridge, go all the way back, then I go over, I think, I don't know, we'll figure out where we go over. There's more cars. Eventually we'll come back over to where we went down over the power plant before. That's legally a car. Ah. Bro. No effort in that. Just zooming. This is also a weird building. But we go back around and then we have 3 hills until we're home free. Then we have a bridge. It's also a bit of a hill. It's fairly chill though. We chilling today though. So on the side of that car it said Berufsfeuerwehr, which roughly translates to not, well, I'm not doing the rough translation, I'm doing a I'm doing kind of an explanation, I guess. It's like you're not doing it for free, you're not volunteering, it's not the volunteer firefighters. This guy has it as a job. So maybe that guy from before was a volunteer. I think many people don't look back to 1955 and go, oh yeah, the good old days, man. Though, I'll blur that one. no snow was all the hype in plenty of beverages and whatever else. So I assume some people look back at it fondly. Oh, there's more tents over here. Maybe they can fix my... I don't know, some of my spokes. I am missing 3 spokes currently, which is apparently fine still, but I don't want to miss any more. And if they can fix it, it's great. And if they can't, well, I guess I'll just have to survive, hopefully. There's a lot of bikes over here. Apparently there were going to be tens of thousands of people biking, but based on what I've seen so far, it's more like thousands of bikers. Well, to be fair, it's still early in the day and most people go after lunch. So... We're going through this. Rivella, can I get a sponsor? I wonder if they're giving them out for free. That would be pretty cool. Let me wet my tires. Whee! There we go. Nice wet tires, nice and hydrated tires. Ooh, I can get a free drink. Dankeschön. Sponsor me. I'll be your official face of the company, even though I don't have a face. So let's. I was talking about Rivella too before. Let's have a taste of it. See what it tastes like. Tastes bubbly. Tastes kind of like candy in a bottle, which is, I don't know. I have 2 liters of water with me for a reason. This is not super, not terrible. For the context, you know, it definitely has calories. Let's see. What does it say on the thing? 22 kilocalories per 100 milliliters. So we have about 44 kilocalories. I didn't know they had bottles this cute and small. They have, what is it? 10.4 grams of sugar. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Look, Rivella bottle. 10.4 grams of sugar, no protein, no salt. So that's a little sad for if you want to get electrolytes. And there's 10.4 grams of carbs in this tiny bottle. No fat and no saturated fat, I guess. Where are we going? Straight ahead. Nope. To be fair, I did not expect a left turn. Look at all these cool... Do they have a Komatsu? One of those bulldozers. I don't remember the full name, but Meyer. Bro, can't be doing that. This should get me going a little bit with my pace. Oh, nice bump. So this is the other power plant. Don't mind me just kind of zooming over here. Yum. Help Point Bike World. Welcome back. A very nice gentleman helped me inflate my rear tire, which has been giving me some significant slow up. So now I actually have some ability to. My main concern here is this is not where we want to cross over. We want to cross over way over there. So I guess as soon as I see a person, I'll ask them what the correct way to go is. Wee. Wow. Some stylish over here. Sorry, kind of dazed out there for a second. Don't know exactly what happened. Oh, this is so much better. Oh, we're zooming. Certified zoomer over here. Absolutely booking it. Oh, we could do this easy. We just didn't have enough air, I guess. Back to munching on my bread. That's some good bread for sure. So right now, we're in Germany. Feast your eyes upon Schengen and weep. Every other country that has to show their passport every time they change country. It's cringe. This is an orchard, I think. Welcome to... What is that? Solar panels. Yes. Oh god. Oh. And we hit them nice and steady. Nice and broken those people's bikes are. They have a solar panel farm over here. That's pretty cool. Of course, my bike tires are not optimally inflated either, so we're gonna take a while to get anywhere, which is fine by me. As long as the sun not down because I have no front light. But look at all this. There's a digging machine there, there's a solar farm, crop, a crow. We're on a road right now and there's no cars doing 200 kilometers an hour. I almost fell off my bike. Picking up a nice bit of wind resistance over here. This is nettles. There's a lot of them. It makes a pretty cool neutral tea. It's kind of good. But however, it also hurts to not to drink it. That would kind of be bad. But it hurts to touch them, you know? If you ever had a nettle experience, that kind of painful. I don't like them. I have a vendetta. I just smack them with a branch. They grow back pretty fast. They're chill. That guy's bike said cube on it. I know for a fact that is a bicycle shape, not a cube. You can't trick me. And I threw it on the ground. Noom. Ooh. They looked at me strangely. They thought I was weird. Let's go. So to break the silence, because I'm being very quiet now, usually when I'm not filming, it's kind of weird. When I'm not filming, there's like more commentary going on than when I am. E-bikers. Ooh, this is pretty. Never been over here before. I could have been, but I haven't. Maybe I can keep pace with them. Hold on. So far, no. Lady's going in the wrong direction, getting mad about it. Like, this event is announced everywhere. They put stuff in your mailbox saying, yo, this is gonna happen, this is the road that they're gonna take. Watch out, don't drive your car. If you do drive your car, you'll be blocked, so. But they also put the direction people will be traveling. This is also a nice chill spot to hang out. And so if you're going against, to be fair, we shouldn't be taking up the entire spot, but you have like 1 billion people coming against you. Maybe don't go in them, I don't know. Those electric bikers though, they do annoy me a bit. They're a bit to the left. I kind of want a pool now. Like be in one. Be in a body of water that's not exactly warm, but not exactly cold either. Or just drink water, honestly. Because I'm about... Oh, ew. We might be going uphill for a little bit on the way back. Not exactly thrilled about that, but what can you do? Oh, there's a concert going on over there. Who knew? Bridge, very close. Bridge, very close. Close bridge. Hot plum, 97 degrees, barefoot, long sweatpants. Stepped out of my car, 97 degree weather, hot plum right on the pavement, stewing on the pavement. Hot plum right on my foot, squishy. 97 degrees out, hot pavement, squishy plum.